Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to this beautiful day, and today you are going to really enjoy because we are going to learn a new rhyme. Yes, what is the name of the rhyme? A hunting we will go. Yes, who likes to go for hunting? You all like to go for hunting? Yes, but we are very scared of all the animals. We must not go for hunting, but here we are learning in this rhyme what animals or which animals we see across, and we are going to hunt those animals. Yes, are you ready? Okay, then what we take for hunting? Yes, you all will take your gun, you all take your hat. Yes, you all take your bag because we are going to go to a deep and dense forest. Okay, are you ready then? We will all go together, so you will not get scared. Then before going, we are going to go through the wordings. Yes, so you will learn the rhyme very nicely. First you have to repeat after me, and then we are going to sing. This is a singing rhyme. Yes, not recited, but you will repeat after me all the wordings, so you will know how to pronounce properly, and then you will sing nicely. A hunting we will go. Yes, repeat again. A hunting we will go. Then again, a hunting we will go, because twice we are going to say that same line. We will catch a fox. Here it is, will catch a fox. This is the short form of we will. So we will say will catch a fox. What they are going to hunt? They are looking for a fox. We will catch a fox, or will catch a fox. And where they are going to put him? And put him in a box. They will catch a fox, and where they will put him? In a box, and never let him go. And then they are not going to let him go at all. They will be taking him home to keep in the house. Yes, they must be wanting to keep that fox as a pet. Again we will repeat this. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Will catch a fox and put him in a box and never let him go. Yes, these were the wordings. So now we are going to sing with the pictures. Yes, are you ready? See, this first two lines we are going to see. See, they are going to go for the hunting. They are waiting. See, they are hiding behind the bush. Because they have to hide, then only they will see the other animals walking. If the animals see us, then they will not come out. So they are hiding, and as soon as they see that fox, they are going to catch him. Yes, let that they do the hunting. You will repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go, because they are going to hunt. Yes, they always take a big gun to go for hunting. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Then the next line. Will catch a fox. What it is? See, the fox, they are going to catch the fox, and where they are going to put him? In a box. You can see the box, and you can see the fox also. Yes, will catch a fox and put him in a box. Okay, sing again. Will catch a fox and put him in a box and never let him go. See, now they have caught, and they are standing near the fox, and because the fox is in the box, they have hunted already. See their gun, as I told you, their hat, everything, they are ready to go for the hunting. And they hunted. What did they hunt? They hunted a fox. They caught a fox and they put him in the box. Now children, one more time with the wordings. Okay. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Will catch a fox and put him in a box and never let him go. Again. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Will catch a fox and put him in a box and never let him go. Now again with the pictures you are going to enjoy. Yes, now you all sing with me. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Will catch a fox and put him in a box and never let him go. A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox and put him in a box and never let him go. So children, it was very, very easy. Yes, it was very short song. Yes, it was a very short singing rhyme. So it is already there in your rhyme book. Revise and keep on saying the wordings and see the video again and again for the tune and sing correctly and keep on practicing. So you will know this song very nicely. Okay, then enjoy this rhyme. Have a nice day.